Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail to your YouTube video. So the process is very simple. You just need 1 minute to add your custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So let's get started. So to add thumbnail, go to YT Studio app and go to content. Here you will be seeing your video which you have already uploaded. So for demo purpose, I have already uploaded a video and I haven't add any thumbnail to this video. So to add thumbnail, click here on this edit icon. Now click here. So here you can see, you can select this frame as your thumbnail or you can also add your custom thumbnail. So to add your custom thumbnail, click here. So now this is the problem. So it is saying verify your account. So this account isn't verified. So first you need to verify this account. Once you verify this account, then you will be able to add a custom thumbnail to your video. So now I will show you a video which I only made for this purpose, how to verify your YouTube account. So first open your YouTube channel from any browser or you can open it from Google Chrome. Just type m.youtube.com. Now click on this triple dot icon and click on desktop side. So now YouTube will be opened in desktop mode. Now click on this account icon. Now click on YouTube Studio. If you have already installed YouTube Studio app on your mobile, then it will immediately redirect to the app. But we don't want this to happen here. So in that case, press on YouTube Studio and click on Open in a new tab. So YouTube Studio will be opened in a new tab. Click on Continue. And in the left bottom corner, you can see Settings icon. Click on Settings. Now click on Channel. Swipe left and go to Features Eligibility. Here you can see on number 2, Immediate Features. And now we need to click on this. Scroll down a little bit and you can see verify your phone number. Okay, so click on verify phone number. So a new page will be opened. So now you need to select your country first. Now you need to enter your phone number. On which phone number you are going to receive a OTP. You need to enter that OTP here. So first enter the phone number. So now click on get code. So you can see the OTP is received. So I need to copy it from here and I will paste it and now I will click on submit. Okay, so now you can see the phone number is verified. So after verification, we'll return back to this page and we'll do a refresh of this page. Now click here, go to this edit icon and click on custom thumbnail. Now you can see this option is active. Now you can choose your custom thumbnail from here. I will click on this and this thumbnail looks like this. So now if you click on this done button, the thumbnail will be saved. So this is how you add a thumbnail to your YouTube video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.